fun little fridge here. As you can see, it's quite warm inside, but not too much, so it doesn't take too much energy away. But it's actually about 15-16 degrees, maybe even 20 in some places. There are tons of batteries and all types of paints, and tubes of paste and all that stuff, and a bit of a small oil radiator here. The workshop right now is pretty cold, as you can see. -10. Hard to get a read how much heat escapes because it reflects so much. That's one way to store your temperature sensitive items during the winter. Just get a used fridge. I got it for free in Facebook Marketplace. Just went after it. It was half working. I just disconnected the compressor from the back. You can keep it unplugged if you want to, but I like the light. You open it up, there's a light. Very handy. In some fridges you can turn it off as well, the compressor, but that would turn off the light as well. In this fridge anyway. In the freezer, I'm just keeping stuff that I don't really need that much. The up part is pretty cold, as you can see. 5 degrees. I was thinking maybe I will cut some holes at some point to give it some, so the heat can escape from the lower part up to the higher part. Doesn't, because the heat wants to rise anyway, it doesn't need that many holes. But I haven't bothered getting around to it yet. Let's see how much power it takes. It's been running for 1 hour. Here it says 3 minutes and 13 seconds, but let's have a look. Right now it's taking 1.3 watts. So 1.1 is lowest. And about a bit over kilowatt is the highest. It has taken 0.057 kilowatts an hour. Everybody's electricity cost is different, so they have to do their own math, but I'll leave an example on the screen so you can fill in your cost.